In this video, I'm going to show you how to launch the Screencast-o-Matic so that you can create your own videos. The first thing you'll want to do is go to screencast-o-matic.com. It has the dashes before and after the O. So I'm logged into mine here. It will probably ask you to create an account if you haven't done so already. And on our new devices, I actually had to download the install first, so this button to the right, just to have the program on my new device. It was installed on my old one, but it goes by computer. So if you're using a new computer, you'll have to download the install. And that will just save to your computer and run it. You're able to download it without any administrative password or anything like that. So if it's your first time using it, please click that. You will see a document pop up on the bottom of your screen. You'll just want to click that and then follow the steps that it asks you. Once you have that, you only have to do that the first time. Then when you log in on the future, you just click Start Recorder. Mine says it's already open because I'm using it with you guys already. And once you start the recorder, you'll see a dotted square pop up around the edge of your screen, and that's what will actually be screencasted. So you can adjust that to include whatever you want. If you just want to use a section of your screen, you can make the box smaller, or if you want to use your whole screen, you can make it larger. And then in the bottom left corner, you'll see a red circular button that says Rec or Record. That's what you'll want to click. And then when you're done, click pause, like I'm going to do in a second, and then click done. And it will then open a box that will ask you to basically choose what you want to do with the video. You can save it to your computer if you want to upload it to your students, or I just always automatically upload mine to YouTube so they're easy to access later on. It's kind of up to you what you want to do at that point. Because you can't see everything here, I'm going to also create a PowerPoint that can show the screencast once you're in it, since you can't see mine since it's, I'm recording this video. So check it out if you need further instruction.